Hey, cannabis cultivators, I'm here in the little workbench, and I've got a new pH meter. I figured I'd put it on here and take a look and see what's in the box. Alright, here is the box that it came in. Nice little thing to keep it all in one spot, keep it out of the way. Alright, you got your meter. You got your pH 7.0 buffing fluid for calibration. You got your 4.0 calibration buffer fluid. Let's see, you got a nice little lanyard just in case you're like me and have bumble fingers and like to drop everything. Alright, now online I had read that in the main instruction manual, there we go, that a lot of this was not written well, translated well, or any of that. So, I don't know, maybe they amended that and gave us this nice little quick start manual here. Look at that. Pretty much everything you could imagine. On the back you have ranges and just basic information. I know my last meter did not come with anything like this. Now this was at a really good price point. I got it on sale for like $50. It wasn't too bad. Nice heavy unit. It came with batteries. Alright, there's the unit. There's what came in the box. And that's everything all together. So, I hope this just gave you a little idea of what you're getting. On to the review later on. You guys have a good day.